Hi traders, it's Alberto, and this is the Fxnorthwest live trade room tutorial. Today was our launch. We had a decent day totaling over 113 pips. So this tutorial I'm just going to do two things. Go over some minor changes to the trade room and then go over some trade setups and Monday retracement. The first thing is this is the bulletin board of trades that are taken, and you'll see me right now. What I'm doing is just posting a trade, and then I put in large letters now, enter now, buy. But what I'm going to make one difference is that I'm going to post that in the chat room. So when I call the trades, you'll see them: open trades, buy euro, yen, CAD yen. You'll see on the screen the positions, the stop loss, and take profit. Okay, that's the one change I've made. In the future, I'll have my live account up so you can see the entries, the time, stop losses, and where I take profit. But right now, we're just using the system until I can get that set up. And that's it. So if you have not subscribed to the trade room, please do. We're having a lot of fun. The first day we did very well. We're placing trades in very specific buy and sell areas using candlestick patterns and the advisory indicator, which is extremely helpful. It helps us with directional bias. It helps us when tell us when markets are overbought and oversold, and gives us entry points. Okay, and if you know your candlestick patterns, then this is it's pretty easy to use. Okay, so again, this is the bulletin board of the trades that are taken. You'll be able to log on and see what's going on with our trades, if there are any open positions or trades that are closed, and I will post them in the chat room as I'm calling them out. Okay, so for the Monday retracement, we have a few decent trade setups. New Zealand yen, here's the sell-off. Extended its daily range, and this is Friday's support level. A nice inside bar on the 1 hour chart, and a nice inside bar on the 4 hour chart as well. So this looks a really good retracement trade for New Zealand yen. A couple of more. We have not the Aussie yen. Aussie yen, I think, may sell off more before it turns around. It will retrace, but we may see this gap down before it turns around and heads north. Euro yen, we have a nice inside bar at a support level. The advisory indicator is giving us a nice retracement opportunity. So this is the Monday retracement trade. Whenever the market sells off on Friday, normally it turns around and goes up on Monday. We're going to take advantage of that retracement. Okay, we're not interested in staying in for extended period of time. We just want that retracement anywhere from 20, 30, 50 pips. It just depends on how far the market sold off on Friday. We should have a substantial retracement on the euro yen. CAD yen, we have spinning top, indecision candles, Monday retracements. The Stochastics is oversold, so that's another trade. Now I've sent these to your email address for those of you that are subscribed to the trade room, so you should have this sometime today. I think that's, let me see if we have any more trade setups. We went over the euro yen, New Zealand yen. Here's New Zealand yen. Did we go over Yes, we did. We went over New Zealand yen. Okay, the other trades that we have, this is a long-term trade. And notice the Aussie yen. This is a trade that we took yesterday based on this evening star on a daily chart. Advisory 3 indicator is confirming this evening star. Stochastics is overbought, so we're definitely staying in this trade till about here. 105.69 is our next target. It broke the previous support, which was here, and now that's the next target, 105.69, and so far we are up about 70 or 80 pips, depending on where you enter this trade. Many of us took this trade when it retraced 50% of this candle. So this is a good trade setup, and we will stay in this trade as long as we can. Now we have a break-even stop loss, and we're going to try to take this trade all the way down to 105.69. Okay. Yes, the only reason I didn't want to include Aussie yen because the Aussie is so weak, and it might just continue to sell up before we have any kind of Monday retracement. Okay, so that's it. There you have it. If you've not subscribed to the Trade Room, please do. We're having a lot of fun making pips, learning about how to trade, learning candlestick patterns, learning fundamentals and technicals on trading. It's only $39 a month, very cheap as far as Trade Room. Usually you can spend over $200 monthly on a Trade Room. Thanks for watching the video, and hope you have a good weekend, and talk to everyone next week.